Hello dear friends, my name is Shiva Chavushian and this is Learning Tazhib channel. I will teach a technique about Tazhib today and we call it Halkari in Farsi. We can use it mostly on the borders of an artwork or we can make an artwork using only this technique. For practice, you need a nice brush with wheat-like shape. It should have some hair at the bottom and should have a very sharp hair at the end. And a simple paper and colors such as gouache or watercolor. I will use watercolor in this video. Pay close attention to the brush's movement. I should hold the brush perpendicular to the page. At first, I put the brush on the paper and smoothly I bend it until I have all of the brush's hair on the paper. Then I take it off the paper very slowly. The movement is an arc of a circle, like always. The second movement is putting the brush in the middle of the leaf and taking it off rapidly. At the end, I will add the thinnest line with the brush again on the circle shape. Please see the movements again and again. All of the technique is learning only the simple leaf. Most of the motifs are based on this shape. So practice this leaf in different directions and sizes and try to learn it very well. Then you will be able to sketch everything using only this leaf. It is very important to draw it in a circular shape. You cannot have beautiful leaves when you draw them in a straight line. We can use only one brush for different sizes. Nice. Now, look at this round flower. I sketched it using only this simple leaf. It is a very important and beautiful technique to learn. I'm changing only the dimensions of the leaves. Isn't it very beautiful? It is very good to practice and draw the leaves inside two lines and try to draw them at the same size. You can draw magnificent borders using only this leaf. We will talk about Halkari more in the next videos. Until the next videos.